Hello everybody. Today we are going to see how to remove copyright claim restrictions. So in case if you are using another person's copyright content like music or any video, small portion of the video, you will have the copyright claim restrictions in YouTube. So if that issue come, even in mobile also it's visible, but to edit that one we have to go to the website. So studio.youtube.com on your browser, go there and log in as your YouTube account. Then go to the section content in the left hand side. After that, see on your videos in the restriction column, if it says copyright claim, so monetization not going to work. So just hover there, then click the see details. So it will tell what is the reason the issue happening. So I was using a video editing tool in mobile phone and I pick a music from there. So they were telling this particular music is the one causing the video cannot be monetized because copyrights belong to another person. So I need to go for an action. So either I can mute the song or I can replace the song. Even dispute we can go, but if it is owned by me only. So I'm going for replacing song. And we'll pick one of the free music from here. So they tell about the conditions here. So anyway, it's free. So we select this music. Yeah, so I'm not sure how to remove this. We'll see how to remove. Okay, that music is inactive now. So directly putting that one is fine, it seems. We'll apply and see how what happened. Save. Might take a while. Once audio claim has been successfully replaced, we'll update any viewing or monetization restrictions. Okay, we'll save it. So we supposed to wait and see. So this is how we can do that one. So anyway, we have to wait and see for the reflections. Thank you.